In this video, I will show you how to turn off automatic updates on Steam. To get started, launch Steam on your computer or laptop and log into your account. Now once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click onto the Steam icon just up here, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto Settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Downloads. And to actually turn off automatic updates from here, what you need to do first is turn on this option which says schedule auto updates. So what that's going to do is actually bring up a additional option here where, as you can see, it says restrict updates to between, and you just need to set this within a 24-hour time range. So for example, between 12 AM and 12 AM or 8 AM and 8 AM, whichever you choose, just make sure it's a full 24 hours. By doing this, as you can see, it's going to effectively restrict the updates and stop Steam from automatically updating. So that is how to turn off automatic updates on Steam. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.